Hey guys, wanna stretch videos with the use of CapCut? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's begin. First off, obviously open CapCut on your device and now click on the new project option right here. Now select the video that you wanna edit and then click on the add option at the bottom right. Now here you should just scroll to the right at this lower tab right here and click on the aspect ratio at the bottom right. Now from the list of the ratios, choose the ratio that you want to use and then click on the check mark at the bottom right. Now select the video just by clicking on it on this window right here and use your two fingers to resize it until you see no pretty much black spots. Now when ready, you can click on the export option and post to Instagram or even to a TikTok. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.